So to get your machine connected, please select your model. Great. Now, select the appropriate Wi-Fi network. Make sure you select the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. If the app doesn't find your SousVide Supreme within a few seconds, please unplug it and then replug it at this point. Then click Search. You must remember to have water inside the basin. Also, please check the settings on your device to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on so your device can pair with the machine. Now, just type in your network password. Now, passwords can be case sensitive, so make sure you type it in correctly. You're going to give your SousVide Supreme a nickname. Also, you're going to choose your temperature to display in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Please note that this will not change the display on your SousVide Supreme. You're going to need to press and hold the temperature button on your machine if you want to change the display itself. Now, select your interest. You can select all, none, or just some of the options. This helps us display recipes that might interest you. Create a profile, and you're ready to start cooking and sharing your recipes with the SousVide Supreme community. Welcome to the SousVide Supreme family. Enjoy.